Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So I recently bought this rose water from Jiva. I think you all know about Jiva Ayurveda. This product has been created by Dr. Pratap Chauhan, director of Jiva Ayurveda. So today I am going to review it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First thing which I like about it is that it's very handy dandy, it's travel friendly, also like you can keep it in your bag. And another thing which I liked about is that it comes in a spray bottle. Like I have used many rose water. It comes in normal bottle but this is in spray bottle, so it's very easy to apply on face. You just have to spray on your face and simply spread it. You can use cotton also. And another thing is that it is not just a rose water, it is a herbal toner. See, it's written on the back that it hydrates and refresh your skin as it acts like toner. And also one of the main thing which I like the most is that it is also helpful in removing makeup. It removes your makeup too. Like I saw in the market, makeup removers are little expensive. So if you don't want to buy makeup remover separately, then you can go for this one. I show you the demo also that how it removes your makeup. Don't worry about that. And can you guess how much it cost for? I remembered guys, few days back I bought a spray bottle separately which cost me for 30 rupees. And here in 30 rupees you'll get 3 things. So I think it is perfect. And another thing which I like the most is its fragrance. Oh my god, it's really amazing. I like it. I think it is perfect. I highly suggest you. And you can see this bottle, you can use it after using this product. I love it, like literally love it. So basically this product is amazing. And now I am going to show you how it removes your makeup. So let's start. So for that, here I am taking the Lakme 9 to 5 lipstick. I am just simply swatch it on my hand. Let it sit for a few minutes so that it dries. It's completely dries. So what I'm going to do is, here I'm taking this cotton, and what I'm going to do, just spray it. And now I am showing you that how it will remove. You can see now it really works. It really works as whatever it's written on it, it's completely true. That's it in this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So I shall see you in my next one. Till then, you all stay happy. Bye.